Welcome back, lawn lovers. BW here again. Let's do some power raking. It's April 25th today, and the lawn has dried out from all the snow melt, and it's beginning to green up for spring. This is the perfect time for me to give the lawn a good spring power raking. This will remove some of the old dead grass from last year, and give the new green grass a little more room to grow. This time I thought it would be more convenient to use the catcher to collect the dead grass, instead of cleaning up all the dead grass with my blower or little battery-powered mower later. I would have to make just as many trips to the bin with the mower bag anyway. It was much more fun to watch me do this without the bagger. It was fun to see all the dead grass flying out of it. I think it made me feel like I was getting more done that way too. Every once in a while, you can hear a few rocks get thrown into the catcher. This happens mostly near the road and the driveway. That's where all the rocks come from over the winter. It's nice to get these out of the grass because they can do some serious damage to the real mower blades. This is another good reason to do this every once in a while. I'm using my real mower with the scarifying attachment on it. It has some soft springy-like things on it that can gently remove any dead grass or debris from the lawn. The Scarifier cartridge just slips into my reel mower after I remove the cutting reel. Now I just need to put the belt back on and tighten up a couple of screws, and then I'm ready to go. You can find some fairly inexpensive electrically operated Dethatchers online or in the big box stores. I hear that they do a good job too. I can set the height of the Scarifier to be as aggressive as I want it to be. If I set it too low or aggressively, it will remove more of the live grass than I want it to. The trick is to set it so that it's removing mostly dead grass and little green grass. You want to be gentle on the new grass. You can get more dead grass out of the lawn by going over it another time or two. I'm making 3 passes today. Another good time to do this would be after the summer heat is over. Basically, you can do this anytime the grass is free from summer stresses and can recover quickly. The Scarifier will remove a lot of the dead grass, but the lawn may still look brown after using it because it will stand up the rest of the dead grass as it rakes some of it out. The remaining brown grass will get pounded back down to the ground the next time it rains. The Scarifier works pretty well for picking up acorns too, but it's a little too hard on the grass to do that every 3 days when the lawn needs mowing. I use the Scarifier on the acorns once or twice a fall, and just use a leaf blower the rest of the time. The leaf blower works pretty well on this short grass, and there's only part of one oak tree that overhangs my lawn. Now get out there and have some fun on your lawn, and remember, you can do it.